Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to format a USB drive on your PlayStation 5 so it actually works. So this is very easy. I'm just going to plug this into my computer and File Explorer is going to open up. And you can see I already have some certain things on here. So I think this is a screenshot of me just using the web browser. So when File Explorer opens up, you have to find your USB drive. You can just go to this PC. And here's my volume D drive. So it could be different for you. I want to go into this and right click on it, and I want to go to format. And you have to do the file system exFAT. So you probably had NTFS, and this is the reason why it didn't work. So you need to go to exFAT and then go to format right here and go to start. And this is going to delete all the information off here. So let's go to yes. All right. Now we can go to the media gallery. We can transfer video clips to it. We can use it as USB extended storage, etc. And you're not going to have an issue now with this being detected by your PlayStation 5 and it will be supported. So very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.